Are you stuck somewhere far away from your family and friends? No problem! With the Remote Me 3000 Hangout Machine Do-It-Yourself Kits, just follow the simple instructions to build a remote version of yourself, send it to your parents, grandparents or favorite bar, and it's like you're there. And with the Remote Me 3000 Look Essentials add-on pack, you can even get creative or make it truly realistic. So it finally arrived, 2 weeks after Christmas. But hey, we're all still stuck and I still miss hanging out with my peeps, so all good, no? If you haven't seen the video of me telling the full story about my hangout machine, you may want to check it out here. The next time they would meet up was on the weekend, so I had to be patient for just a little longer. I was honestly pretty nervous. Did it make it there unharmed? Did I screw up when adding their Wi-Fi credentials to the code? And so will it even connect to the router? Will they be confused by my lengthy manual? And am I asking too many questions? And was all the pondering and waiting for nothing?
Es leuchtet schon mal. Ab!
What a relief. It's a pretty cool feeling to be able to choose what you want to see and not be at the mercy of whoever holds the phone. And it turned out just as intuitive as I hoped it would be. I just moved around, not thinking about anything, just expecting it to follow, which it did. And everyone there knew when I was looking at them. Not sure why I'm waving all the time. Faces don't wave. Here we tried to establish an additional Zoom call for stereo sound, but unfortunately it turned out that my headset isn't compatible with just any laptop. But it didn't matter. At this point I was more interested in the giggles of my niece and nephews than in looking for Windows drivers. So my verdict?
Pretty impressed.
I wanted to create a more natural communication experience between me on one side and my family on the other. And I wanted to do this with a device that requires no technical knowledge to set up and is intuitive to use. And with all of that, I can say I was 100% successful. I'll definitely ask them to put it on the table every time they gather. But I also have to admit that soon I wished for the delay to be much smaller, the range of motion to be bigger, and above all, the sound to be stereo. And also after an hour of fun and giggles, my arm suffered quite a bit. On the next occasion, I might try to go hands-free and stream my plate so we're truly dining together. Hope you liked this one. If you did, please consider subscribing so you get notified when my next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you know how to improve this thing. And by the way, if you really want to make your own hangout machine, I'll add all my drawings, Arduino code and cutting templates below. It won't come with detailed step-by-step instructions, but if you like to tinker, it should be a good start. See you soon.